Alright guys, it's your boy Shades and Trades here. Let's talk about this January 16, 2024 shareholder annual meeting has been pushed back. There are promising developments in progress for the businesses, which we are either in the process of completing or taking to their next important stage. We previously anticipated our shareholder meeting on Friday the 26th, so a week from now, in case you guys don't know. We expect to hold the in-person and online version of our shareholder meeting later in the first quarter of this year. So if they pushed it back, and they will provide a 4 weeks notice. So you can still go over there and have an opportunity to meet them, but yeah, you have to. Any shareholders that would like to meet with us in Miami on the 26th of next week, they have to send an email to confirm your attendance and obtain the meeting details. So here's the thing. They're pushing back the original shareholder meeting date, which is concerning for two reasons. Two reasons you should be concerned is they're pushing it back because they actually have nothing to show, and they were just going to rinse and repeat what we already knew, which would have been very bearish. Because the last time that happened, this that led to a huge. Let me clean up the chart here for you guys. The last time that happened, there's the big drop. Where's my vertical line? There it is. Shareholder meeting right here. It led to a huge downtrend when we were going sideways for months, from September or mid August till the shareholder meeting of last year. We went sideways, which was cool because we could make a lot of money just buying the bottom. But that shareholder meeting caused this huge drop. That was the catalyst. So the worst thing they could do is have another shareholder meeting where they have nothing to show for it, and it just drops even further, which is what I would expect anyways. So that's two things to be concerned about if you're a shareholder or if you're looking to invest in Ilus. Them pushing things back like that either means they just don't have anything, they have nothing to show, or they're pushing it back, quote unquote, but they're going to push it back until they're just going to keep pushing it back. They said first quarter, they're still going to have the shareholder meeting. We'll see if they follow through. If they push it to second quarter, then it's like, okay, well, they can just keep pushing it, right? Like if they've been pushing everything. So that's interesting to know. That's so I'm neither bullish or bearish, but the fact that they pushed it back like that, a week beforehand, mm, a week beforehand they decided to push it. Yeah, that's the only concern. Look, I know some people are getting excited here by this movement, but let's switch over to the MACD. Let's look at the EMMAs. We're still underneath the 200. We're right at the 20, the 50. Yeah, we're still far from being in an uptrend. Not even close to being in an uptrend. Not even close. Like I said, I wouldn't be surprised if we got some movement in anticipation of the shareholder meeting. But with that not happening, who knows what's going to happen? I would expect continued downtrend. The pattern here is pretty simple. We have 2 days of green and then followed by falling down some more. 2 days of green. Are we gonna finally break out, or are we gonna continue to follow this pattern and just dump even lower? And then 2 days of green, dump even lower. That's the pattern there. Even here, dumps, some upside, dumps, upside, dumps, couple of days of upside, dumps. So I wouldn't get too excited just yet. I can't even say that it's bottomed out. This is the weekly, by the way. You can't even say that it's bottomed out. What we really do need is catalyst, and the shareholder meeting was going to be that catalyst. That could have helped. It could have helped set the tone for the rest of the year, and instead of a downtrend, we had an uptrend. But I don't know what's going on over there. They have not communicated with us. Like they're going to communicate with us, but they're pushing it back. The shareholder meeting was going to be the big one. That was going to be everything. I was looking forward to it. So, and I'm sure a lot of you were as well. So the fact that they pushed it back raises a lot of questions because they can talk the talk all they want. That doesn't mean anything to us anymore. They've been talking a lot, and they're doing it again. They're talking a lot. We'll see. They have a lot coming for Ilus, QIND, ERT, blah blah blah. So if you think there's going to be some upside short term, definitely look to load up. I'm not touching it. I'm not touching either of these. QIND, not touching it. Ilus, not touching it. But I think Saml might make that one might be a good trade opportunity. This one might explode here, and I say that because it's inside this ascending triangle. At least that's what I'm seeing. Let me look at the weekly. Maybe that gives me a clear picture. Or maybe it's not. Let me see. I mean, we're creating higher. It looks like it's ready to break out, guys. That's what it looks like, at least on the higher time frames. Looks like it's getting ready to explode. So if you want, probably the best place to put your money would be in Saml. Super risky though, but that would be like the best play if the pattern works out. Which on the weekly looks like a bull flag. I don't know if you guys are seeing that, but that's what it's looking like. Yeah, if this breaks out, we're gonna oof, we could go as far as 10 cents. Combine that with a catalyst, that would definitely help. But yeah, I think Saml would be the best one to play. Ilus and QAD, I'd wait for their trend to reverse. Saml has a chance here. It's actually trending upward. Technically, it is trending upward. I think we're above the 20, right? Yep, we're above the 20. We're above the 50? Damn. And we're above the 100. This thing's like getting, yeah, this smells of we might break out. The 200 M is going to act as resistance, so we might break out at 6 cents if it does break out. So that's like probably the best play. And that's it for the video, guys. As always, like and subscribe. I will see you in the next one. I am taking a bit of a break this month. Usually every January, I like to take it easy. I don't make many videos. Probably just going to make one video every now and then. Then I'll pick up speed usually in March. And this cold weather doesn't help here in the suburbs. It makes me feel kind of just want to be, nice and warm. Don't really want. It's cold. It's really cold. It sucks. It's like negative 27 degrees these past couple of days. All right, guys. I'll see you in the next one and stay warm out there.